Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my Inspired Bible, and I will be in the book of Psalms, chapter 51 and verse 7, where it says, "Purify me from my sins, and I will be clean. Wash me, and I will be whiter than snow." So, since it is New Year's, and a lot of our country is in snow right now and it's super cold, I wanted to do a passage talking about how God gives us new life and he cleans us just like snow. So I wanted to do a scene using one of these Doodle 101 pictures, and I will put a link for her website down below. Her name is Sue, and I have done one of these before in one of my other entries, and if I can find it, I will pull it up here and insert it into my video. But I found this one that's super cute, and I'm not going to do this verse here, of course. I'm just going to draw the snowman here. I'm going to use my new watercolors that I've used the past couple weeks and do a background of, I think I'm going to use this, maybe this darker blue here, and I'm going to use some paint and do some flicks of that look like snow with my paintbrush, flick some paint on there, and then I'm going to take these two snowman acrylic stamps or snowflake stamps and stamp around on the page and use my embossing powder and to make some dimensional snowflakes on there. So let me get this stuff cleared off here and we will get started. All right, guys, so here's my final journal entry. I think it turned out super pretty. I love doing this. I've never combined all these different mediums using the watercolor and acrylic paint and my embossing powders, and then coloring in, or actually going in with the black pen and everything for this. I think it turned out super cute. Go ahead and go over and check out the Doodle 101. They're free Bible journaling for personal use, little doodles, and they're super cute. There's all different, you know, subjects or holidays or whatever. So I just really thought that this worked well for this passage. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next Wednesday for another Bible journaling video. God bless. Bye. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality.